For decades, Mack Trucks has been a symbol of brute strength, industrial grit, and American engineering. Known primarily for its durable heavy-duty trucks and iconic bulldog logo, Mack has built its legacy on reliability and toughness in commercial hauling. But as the pickup truck market evolves faster than ever, with Ford, Ram, and Chevrolet dominating, while electric newcomers like Rivian and Tesla shake things up, industry experts say there's a major opportunity Mack cannot afford to ignore. The time has come for Mack Trucks to build its first ever modern pickup, and 2027 could be the perfect year to do it. In this deep dive, we'll explore why Mack Trucks must enter the pickup market by 2027, what advantages it brings to the table, and how experts believe it could redefine what a tough truck really means. For one, the pickup market is exploding and changing fast. Pickup trucks are no longer just work tools. They're status symbols, luxury vehicles, and adventure companions. In the US alone, pickups make up nearly 20% of all new vehicle sales. Ford's F-Series, Chevrolet Silverado, and Ram 1500 dominate the top 3 spots in annual sales rankings, while mid-size and compact models like the Toyota Tacoma and Ford Maverick have surged in popularity. According to automotive market analyst James Hollander, the next 5 years will reshape the truck landscape entirely. We're seeing a split in the pickup segment, Hollander explains. There's the traditional heavy-duty work crowd that values torque, payload, and towing, and then there's the new lifestyle segment that prioritizes comfort, technology, and efficiency. Mack Trucks has the pedigree to dominate both if they play their cards right. This is where Mack's heritage becomes its biggest advantage. Unlike lifestyle-oriented brands, Mack's reputation is built on industrial-grade durability. That brand strength could attract tradesmen, fleet buyers, and enthusiasts who crave something tougher than a typical consumer pickup. 2. Mack's heritage is its secret weapon. Mack Trucks was founded in 1900 and became legendary for building some of the toughest trucks in history. Vehicles that powered construction, mining, and long-haul industries across North America. From the military-grade Mack NR series of World War II to the iconic Mack R series that defined 20th century trucking, Mack has always built machines meant to last. That kind of heritage could give a Mack pickup instant credibility. Unlike new startups or luxury automakers trying to look tough, Mack wouldn't need to prove itself. It already has over a century of toughness in its DNA. Truck historian and retired engineer Mark Jensen puts it simply. If Mack builds a pickup, it's not a gimmick. It's a working man's machine designed by people who understand payload, torque, and long-term durability. Mack knows how to build vehicles that last 1,000,000 miles. That's something even Ford or GM can't always claim today. Imagine a Mack pickup that blends industrial-grade reliability with modern design and everyday usability. It wouldn't just be another truck. It could redefine what buyers expect from a real work vehicle. 3. The 2027 timing makes perfect sense. Why 2027? Because the next few years will be a turning point for the entire truck industry. Both Ford and GM are refreshing their full-size lineups with hybrid and EV options, and Ram's electrified REV and range extender models are launching around 2026. That means by 2027, the market will be flooded with electric and hybrid trucks. But few will appeal to traditional diesel and heavy-duty buyers. Mack could enter right in that gap with a diesel hybrid or hydrogen-assisted pickup built for the long haul. The brand already has experience with electrification through its Mack LR electric garbage truck and Anthem EV prototypes, which have proven reliable in real-world use. Industry insiders believe this timing is critical. According to Dr. Elaine Porter, an automotive engineering professor at Purdue University, by 2027, customers will demand power and efficiency in the same package. Mack could deliver a hybrid or alternative fuel pickup that doesn't compromise on torque or towing. They could fill a massive gap between light-duty electric trucks and heavy-duty diesel rigs. In other words, Mack doesn't need to compete directly with Tesla or Rivian. It can carve out a unique position as the tough, fuel-efficient, long-range workhorse of the next generation. Number 4. What a Mack pickup could look like. While Mack hasn't officially confirmed any plans for a pickup, experts and designers have imagined what it might be like. And the vision is exciting. Picture a mid to full-size pickup that channels Mack's industrial design language. A muscular stance, bulldog-inspired grille, exposed bolts, heavy steel bumpers, and practical features designed for hard use. The body could be built from military-grade high-strength steel and aluminum, while the suspension system would draw from Mack's legendary heavy-duty truck technology. Under the hood, Mack could deploy a 3.0-liter twin-turbo diesel inline-six hybrid, something powerful enough to produce over 500 pound-feet of torque while still meeting modern emissions standards. Alternatively, a plug-in hybrid diesel-electric system could offer strong towing performance and short-distance electric operation for urban fleets. Experts suggest that Mack could even take inspiration from its commercial lineup. Air ride suspension for load leveling, modular chassis for customizable bed configurations, integrated power outlets for job site use, heavy-duty drivetrain components capable of towing over 15,000 pounds. According to automotive design expert Carlos Medina, the Mack pickup could redefine the term heavy-duty. Most pickups on the market today are just tough-looking SUVs with open beds. Mack could bring back real engineering, frames, axles, transmissions, and brakes designed for industrial-grade abuse. It would appeal to a different kind of buyer entirely. 5. How Mack could compete against the big three. Competing with Ford, GM, and Ram isn't easy, but Mack has several strategic advantages. 1. Brand authenticity. Mack's Bulldog logo already represents toughness and reliability to millions of truckers worldwide. That instant recognition could draw attention faster than any new EV startup. 2. Commercial expertise. Mack's deep roots in logistics and construction mean it knows what real work requires. That insight could translate into a pickup designed from the ground up for job sites, not suburban streets. 3. Volvo Group backing. Mack is owned by the Volvo Group, which provides cutting-edge electric and safety technology. This partnership could give Mack access to world-class hybrid systems, autonomous tech, and efficiency tools that rival anything Ford or GM can produce. 4. Niche opportunity. Instead of chasing mass-market appeal, Mack could focus on fleet buyers, construction firms, and heavy-duty users. These customers value uptime, durability, and serviceability over flashy features. Fleet consultant David Corbin believes this focus is Mack's best play. If Mack builds a pickup that lasts twice as long and tows more than the competition, commercial buyers will line up. Fleet managers love reliability. They'd rather pay more upfront for a truck that stays out of the shop. 6. The emotional factor. A true American icon returns. There's also a strong emotional appeal to the idea of a Mack pickup. Truck buyers love authenticity. When they see brands like Mack, famous for building America's hardest-working vehicles, returning to their roots, it creates instant excitement. Imagine the nostalgia factor. A truck wearing the Bulldog badge, echoing decades of American trucking history. It could become more than a vehicle. It could be a statement of identity. As truck enthusiast and YouTuber Mike Peters said in a recent panel, if Mack ever built a pickup, it would be the ultimate real truck, the kind your grandfather would be proud to drive. No fake vents, no chrome gimmicks, just power, grit, and reliability. People are craving that again. Mack could channel that emotion into marketing. Its trucks have always represented pride, perseverance, and strength, qualities that resonate deeply with traditional truck buyers. 7. Expert predictions. What could power the Mack pickup? Experts are divided on exactly what powertrain Mack would use, but most agree it would avoid going fully electric at first. Instead, it could pioneer diesel hybrid or hydrogen combustion technology. Diesel hybrid system, a combination of a small turbo diesel engine with an electric motor for added torque and improved efficiency. Perfect for fleets that want reduced emissions without losing towing capacity. Hydrogen ICE, internal combustion engine. Mack's parent company Volvo is already exploring hydrogen-powered engines. This could give the pickup zero-carbon performance without range anxiety. Range extended EV. A smaller battery combined with a diesel generator could deliver 50 to 100 miles of electric range for urban use and infinite range for highway travel. Automotive powertrain expert Dr. Nathan Lee points out, the key for Mack will be integrating new technology without sacrificing what makes their brand special: durability and torque. A diesel hybrid setup might be their best bridge to a carbon-neutral future. This balanced approach could make the 2027 Mack pickup future-proof, appealing to both traditionalists and eco-conscious buyers. 8. What could stop Mack from doing it? Of course, there are challenges. Entering the pickup market is expensive, with billions required for R&D, emission certification, and production tooling. Mack would need to decide whether to build the pickup in the US, likely at its Lehigh Valley operations plant in Pennsylvania, or partner with Volvo facilities globally. There's also the risk of brand dilution. Some purists might argue that Mack should stick to heavy trucks. However, experts say the risk is worth it if Mack positions the pickup correctly. Marketing strategist Paul Reiner explains, Mack can't just slap its badge on a lifestyle pickup. It has to build something worthy of the name, industrial, durable, and over-engineered. If they do that, customers will see it as a natural evolution, not a gimmick. 9. The bottom line, Mack's moment is now. If there was ever a perfect moment for Mack Trucks to re-enter the spotlight, it's now. The market is hungry for authenticity, the technology is ready, and the competition is vulnerable. By 2027, the Mack pickup could emerge as the ultimate heavy-duty hybrid work truck, blending century-old toughness with next-generation innovation. It could tow more than a Silverado, last longer than a Ram, and carry the kind of engineering heritage no new brand can fake. More importantly, it would bring back something the industry has lost: a truck built purely for function, pride, and endurance, not just luxury and tech gimmicks. As one industry veteran summed it up perfectly, the world doesn't need another flashy pickup. It needs a truck with a soul, and Mack has one. Final expert take: if Mack Trucks builds a pickup for 2027, it won't just be another new vehicle. It could be a revolution in what a work truck means. Combining commercial-grade toughness, modern hybrid technology, and genuine brand integrity, the Mack pickup could become the truck that bridges the gap between America's industrial past and its electrified future. The industry is watching. The customers are ready, and the bulldog is about to wake up.